Hello everyone, this is Vaishnavi Gupta, hoping you're happy and healthy. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another sit down video. And today we are going to talk about procrastination. And I'll be very honest, in this video I'll share 5 major tips or 5 major things that I want to share with you which will help you reduce your procrastination. But a thing which happens a lot with us as students, right? And I'm assuming a lot of high school students are watching this video just like me. So I want to share a personal story first कि मतलब even I procrastinate a lot. So take a chill pill first of all. I used to procrastinate like a pro, and I don't even procrastinate like I will do it in the night, I will do it after 30 minutes. I just go like I'll do it tomorrow. ये काम मैं कल करूँगी. I'll do that before that. मैं छुट्टियाँ खत्म होने से पहले कर लूँगी. I'll do that. I'll study for the test before one day because easy है. So even I used to procrastinate like on another level, and I have reduced that a lot. I'm going to share some of my personal tips how I did it. Now I have other problems, that's another thing. But now procrastination is not one of my problems. And if you know me, then you know that I used to genuinely procrastinate a lot of times. If you have seen my this video, then you knew it already. And trust me, if I can stop procrastinating, you can do. Let's begin. So the number one is associate your study with something else. Let me tell you an example ताकि तुम्हें ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझ आए, right? A lot of people study while making coffee or after making coffee. So you can associate your study time with coffee. As soon as you make coffee, your brain is reminded that you need to study. इससे ना एक ब्रेन में डेवलप हो जाता है कि ये चीज़ करनी है. Just like हम सुबह उठते ब्रश करते ही हैं. It is not even we think of. It's just हमारे माइंड में वो ट्रेंड है कि सुबह उठना है तो it means that we need to brush our teeth. Right? Just like that, you can associate yourself with something else ताकि तुम study करने बैठ सको. And whenever you do this, you make coffee, you take out the pen, or if you go in that table or you go to that room, you are reminded to study. Second, find your technique. Now find your technique isn't like you need to name your technique, more of like find a way you study. It can be either you like to take breaks in between studying, like the Pomodoro technique is something जैसे होता है ना, like you are going to study for 40 minutes, then 5 minutes break, or you are going to study for 50 minutes, then 10 minutes break. Some people study like that. Some people like do constant studying कि whenever they sit and like study for hours and hours, like 2 hours 4 hours, फिर पता नहीं चलता उन्हें कब time बीता है because they're so invested in studying. I am the kind of person which do task by task. I decide task कि मुझे आज ये इतने क्वेश्चन खत्म करने हैं, ये वाला चैप्टर खत्म करना है, इस वाले पेज तक खत्म करना है, and that's how I study. जब तुम्हारा स्टडी पैटर्न सेम होगा, योर ब्रेन विल नॉट प्रोक्रास्टिनेट बिकॉज इट नोज दैट यू आर सपोज टू डू दिस एंड दिस वे. एंड अपने आप को जानो कि हाउ योर ब्रेन लाइक्स टू स्टडी एक्चुअली. इज इट लाइक्स टू टेक ब्रेक्स, या फिर लॉन्ग आवर्स पढ़ना पसंद है, या मैं इतना टास्क डिसाइड करके उसे ख़त्म करके उठना है. नाउ व्हेन आई डिसाइड टास्क, आई डोंट टेक कि 1 घंटा लग रहा है, कि आधा घंटा लग रहा है, कि 2 घंटे लग रहे हैं. When I finish the task or almost of a task, like if there 80 questions were there, small MCQ 80 questions were there, even if I do 65 or 70, I did not do my best, but I'm still satisfied with it. So it works like that with me. Number 3, track your studies. Now it releases dopamine. Duolingo is a very good example of it. Duolingo captures and तुम्हारी streak बनाए रखता है कि you have completed 100 days, you have been here continuously for 60 days. It feels good when you have this streak. I think Snapchat also uses that. Yes, it does. Snapchat also do the streak system. So when you do the streak system in your studies, it helps you grow, and like आपका procrastination वाली thing ही नहीं आती है because now there is this urge in your brain to complete the streak. Now you can like tick off the task in your to-do list. अब मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ हर रोज़ तुम करो मैंने आज पढ़ाई की नहीं की, but you can make a to-do list on your phone, on your sheet, on your diary or anything, or just in your mind कि ये 3 चीज़ें करनी है. Whenever you tick off, तुम्हारा डोपामिन रिलीज हो रहा है एंड तुम्हारे ब्रेन को एक सिग्नल पहुंच रहा है अच्छा सा दैट यू हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस टास्क, जस्ट लाइक इन स्नैपचैट और डुओलिंगो. So I think it reduces procrastination because now you have the urge to start studying just to complete the streak. एक एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट कोडेड है बट यू विल गेट इट. लाइक आई विल डू अकाउंटेंसी एंड इकोनॉमिक्स टुडे एंड मैथ्स एंड बिजनेस स्टडीज टुमारो, और ऐसी वाइस वर्सा करती रहूँगी. Now, if it's been like 30 days and I'm continuously doing it, on the 31st day, the urge in my brain to complete the task would make me complete the task eventually, and therefore I will stop procrastinating. Fourth, minimal study space. Now, if you have a study space, it's very good. If you don't have a study space, I bet you have a bed or a table where you study. I bet you have a table in a room where you study, a sofa where you study, a floor where you study, right? What do I mean by this is take less subjects with you. I used to do this like all the time. मैं हमेशा accounts, math सब कुछ लेके बैठ जाती थी एक साथ, and it used to overwhelm me कि मतलब मुझे इतना सारा करना है और उसी चीज में ना मेरे सारा brain used to get occupied and I used to thinking and इतना सारा monkey mind and everything that I used to procrastinate कि यार accountancy कल कर लूंगी, आज बस math कर लेती हूँ. It used to happen me like till date until I realized what I am doing. So it is a very common mistake that a lot of people make. I used to make so often, always overwhelming myself. That's why keep your study table minimal. Like only take the subjects that you want to study. Take your subjects one by one. I'm not saying you to like start with easy, start with hard. It depends on the assignments या फिर किसकी priority कैसी है, किसकी urgency ज़्यादा है, किस chapter को या किस test के लिए we are preparing for, right? But all I am saying is if you are studying maths, then only study maths at the time and take only the NCERT, the register and a single pen. While you're studying, keep your desk minimal. Number 5, thought dumping. Thought dumping, now it can be your phone, it can be a diary. I prefer diary because I am like, if you see my diary, right, a personal diary that I have, a journal diary that I have, I don't write and decorate things. I just literally thought them in कि आज मैंने ये सोचा, आज मेरा ऐसे दिन बर्बाद चला गया. If आज I did so many things, today I am very very happy. Today I succeeded this, today I did maths also. Today I went to coaching, I made a YouTube video too. That's how you just thought dump ताकि तुम उस चीज़ से overwhelmed ना हो. Your mind is too cluttered, that's why you procrastinate. When you can't think of a single thing and you cannot focus, that's when you procrastinate. तो वही चीज़ हमें ख़त्म करनी है. Either you can fix a time कि इस time पे like I have a fixed time for journaling at night. You can do that, you fix a time and you do that everything and after that you study so that your mind is not cluttered and you don't think of a lot of things so that you don't procrastinate. ज़्यादातर पता है क्या होता है, हम बहुत ज़्यादा सोच रहे होते हैं, that's why we procrastinate, क्या कल कर लेंगे, तो टाइम ही नहीं बचा है कि ये वाला तो कल कर लूंगी, अभी इसको आने में देर है तो साइड रख देती हूँ. बट इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कंप्लीट द टास्क दैट डे बिकॉज यू नो प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन कैसे लीड करता है. एंड दिस अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल से कंसिस्टेंसी ओवर प्रोडक्टिविटी. I think it's just a matter of showing up. So let's try to show up every day and stop procrastinating a bit. Thanks for watching this till the very end. I think if you are like not stopping your procrastination completely, it will, this video and these tips, if you follow अपने दिमाग में रखोगे, it will surely reduce your procrastination. I wish you the best. So, and yep, I'll see you in the next one. Also do subscribe to my channel if you haven't. बाकी मैं रेगुलर पोस्ट करती रहती हूँ. So I'll see you in the next one. As I said, bye bye.